Sizes, don't pay attention to them, baby. Like, if you think it can fit you, try it on. What's good, Spice Gang? So we're on another thrift with me today, and it's not too cold outside today, which is nice. Today, what I have in mind is, I mean, look at the fur. The fur is giving. So today, we're definitely gonna be channeling Ariana from The Sopranos. Honestly, I just got on The Sopranos the end of last year. I'm almost done with the whole series. Me and my boyfriend actually watched it together. Yeah, that's what we're channeling for the thrift store today. Hopefully I have good luck today. Wish me luck to that. Over here in Flatbush, the thrift store I'm going to today is actually in Flatbush. And child, I underestimated the cold because it said it was gonna be like 40 something. And I thought that would be not that cold, but child, I feel mad cold. And we are definitely in the middle of Little Haiti today. Sac passe, ma boulou. Shout out to all the Haitians. Besides my boss that I used to have that fired me. Fuck her. But the rest of the Haitians, I fuck with y'all. Please wish me luck today, guys. Sometimes you really have to have a vision in the thrift store because this skirt really is not that cute. But if we change it around and make it work, it really is so adorable. Like, from that to this, you have to have a vision. Like, this also, like, off the shoulder, okay? It's giving. Why are you up there, bro? So this is great quality. It's just a basic from H&M, a nice structured tee. It's in a size medium. I'm really glad I got this. $3 for a nice basic. Like, this is something that I can tell is like made out of 100% cotton. This I was so excited about when I found it because I don't plan to even wear it like this at all. I can't wait to show you guys how I actually style this because, baby, it's not gonna look like this. I feel like I could almost finesse this and pull it up to make it a dress, but I'm definitely gonna make it into like a shorter pleated skirt. The baggy pants trend is out, but for me, I think that's just something that's always gonna be a part of my style just because it's so flattering on my body shape. But these pants, oh my god, they are literally like ski pants. There's still a tag on here from the like snowboarding park here from 2019, from January 26, 2019. So hilarious. But these are so nice and they're really warm. So they're like a great piece for winter, spring, because like usually cargo pants are a little bit cold. I usually wear leggings underneath them, but these have like built-in leggings. Like they have all these pulls and like ties, and these, baby, yeah, I'm definitely gonna style the hell out of these. These are so freaking nice. They fit wonderfully. Like, I see so much for these pants. That could really be worn as either a dress giving very risque, or a top. I would do either, but I think this is super high off the shoulder, is very in right now, so I'm so happy I found this. And this was actually a maternity. This is a maternity medium. So literally size is just Sizes, don't pay attention to them, baby. Like, just if you think it can fit you, try it on. That's the moral of the story. So cute. So super hot fire. Like the way I plan on styling it, it's gonna be so cute. I have to figure out a way though to like cinch this thing in the back. Like there has to be a way to like cinch the shirt because I want it to be like this type of style. Like, ooh, when I wear this, it's gonna be so cute. And this was in the little boy section. First glance, this sweater is truly nothing to look at, but like I looked at this so many times. I was looking for texture. Like I love the texture, the netting. This was so in last summer too. So I mean, even if we went like this, kind of cute depending on how you style it. But the way that I really want to wear it, let me see, let me button it all the way. Of course some buttons are missing, that doesn't really matter. Okay. So, the way that I envision it being worn, obviously not with this bra. This is just so I don't flash the camera. But, like now this is cute. This is the way that I would ideally wear the shirt with no bra underneath. Like, I feel like this is like so this jacket, don't need to say much, obviously amazing. This is going to be my last fur purchase though, because at this point I have a leopard fur that I just recently added. If you didn't watch my other vlog, I now have a zebra fur, I have a black fur, and a brown fur. So I think that's enough furs. We can definitely tackle this trend before winter 2024 is over and get some good flicks and shit and content off. But yeah, I think these add so much personality to your wardrobe, and it's just something that would literally never go out of style. And if it does, I would just be crazy to get rid of this. This is stuff that needs to just stay in your collection because it'll always come back. And for $15, I was so lucky to find this. This jacket is also another really nice staple. It's a really nice, like, lined, clearly vintage, made in Korea, lined rain jacket. I love the color. I feel like it's like nude and classy, and it's just made so nicely. Like, this is why I love vintage. They don't make clothes like this these days. Like, this is a very nice long range jacket. Like, it says it's a 5'6" and it's Korean, but I can still fit it. Love it. And I even just realized like how cute the back is and like how big this is. I am so happy with this purchase. Like $15? Baby, you cannot beat this. But so y'all know I was so excited about this skirt. So here is how I styled it. I went for like a schoolgirl rocker look with this bag and hat. I will have all of the details listed below of the items that I'm wearing, but I just love the texture and I thought this was a really cute look. Here I'm styling the pants. Like I said, these are so warm, perfect for winter. And I feel like they're really flattering on me. I just paired it with this snake Rebecca Minkoff bag and some shades. And then this is going to be this epic jacket. And I paired this with a pair of leather pants, a nice rocker tee, and then some silver accessories, which I thought really made the look pop with the jacket. Girl, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, join the Spice Gang, and become a Spice Girl. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.